Good morning children and welcome back to the EVS2 class. So children, yesterday we finished our lesson the plateaus and highlands of India, and we finished the question answers and everything. So today we'll start a new lesson. And what is that new lesson? You know, it is lesson number 8, the Western Desert. Okay, we'll start with the next lesson, the Western Desert. So if you are ready with your textbook, you can take out this lesson. This is lesson number 8, the Western Desert. The Western Desert, the desert of India which is towards the west. And you can see in the picture itself, okay, on the left hand side, you can see the picture of the of a map of India. You can see a map of India is there, and children, on the left hand side, okay, you can see the state of Rajasthan is there, and it's yellowish in color. It is yellowish in color, and this yellowish in color, it is what, you know, it is the desert of India. So let's proceed with the lesson. So what are the objectives of the lesson? What we learn in this lesson? It's given there. Number first, the location and extent of the Western Desert. Number 2, the effects of the physical features and climate on the region. Number 3, the effects of region and climate on plants, animals and people. And lastly, the measures taken by people for water conservation. So let's proceed. So children, in the first page itself, you will get children. So this is a desert, okay. So before moving to the lesson, before proceeding the lesson, I would like to show you, this is what, children, this is a desert, okay. This is a desert, and you can see the picture. It's very dry and very less plants are there, only some grasses are there, and you can see it's totally dry area. So this is a desert, okay. So children, in the first page, the name of a very important person is given, and he is what you know, who you know, he's Rajendra Singh. And who is he? Is the waterman of India. Now why is called the waterman of India? Because he taught people how to save water. Now in desert area, they get very less rainfall, okay, and that's why I have shown you the picture. No, very less trees are there. So this person, he teaches people to how to save water. So he is called as the waterman of India. Okay, so children, now let's move to the next topic, which is the extent of the Great Indian Desert. Before the extent of the Great Indian Desert, I would like, there are 2 more lines it's given there. Can you see? It's 2 more lines has been shown, and it's written there. In the northwestern part of India lies a sandy and rocky region. It is called the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. So you can see here in the map of India, okay, this is the map of India, and you can see here towards the northwestern part of India lies a sandy and rocky area, okay, just as I have shown you a picture of the desert similar to that. And what is that area called? It is called the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. So what is a desert, children? A desert is an area that receives very little or no rainfall and has very few plants. So what is a desert? A desert is an area that receives very little rainfall, okay, or no rainfall at all, and has very few plants. And plants, as I have shown you a picture, no rainfall, little rainfall, so no plants will be there because water is needed for the growth of plants. So now children, let's move to our next paragraph about the extension, okay, about the extension of the Great Indian Desert. So what is the extension of the Great Indian Desert? The Indian part of the Thar Desert stretches from the Aravalli Hills to the border of Pakistan in the west. So from where to where it extends? It extends from Aravalli Hills, okay, to the border of Pakistan in the west. Then it further extends into Punjab and Sindh areas of Pakistan. You might not know, but there is Punjab in Pakistan also. Okay, before independence, the Pakistan of the Punjab in Pakistan also Punjab was there, and in India also Punjab was there, and that was a very big Punjab. But after partition, some portion of Punjab went to Pakistan and some portion it was in India. So children, so the desert extends to the Punjab area of Pakistan also, and also to Sindh areas. Then the Rann of Kutch in Gujarat is to its south, and the border of Haryana is to its north. Now let me show you a picture, then you will understand much better. Just a second. Okay, you can see here children. Okay, you can see here the Pakistan. Okay, in the map you can see the bluish color is the Pakistan, is the country of Pakistan, and you can see the Punjab towards the north and towards the south is the Sindh. So there also you have the, in Pakistan also the Thar desert is there. Okay, this desert is there. And then in the map of India, in the country of India, you can see towards the north is borders the state of Haryana, and towards the south we have Gujarat and the Rann of Kutch. So you can study this properly, this map. The Punjab, Sindh areas, where are they? They are in Pakistan, and the Haryana and Gujarat where they are. Okay. So now children, here also you can see in the north you have Haryana, Rajasthan, you can see the state of Rajasthan, and towards the north you can see the red color part is the Haryana, and in Gujarat only, okay, the red color part, the lower red color part towards the south is the Rann of Kutch is there. Okay. So it's given there. In the next, if you go to the lower part of the textbook, you can see it covers the following: more than half of Rajasthan, a few parts of Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana are there. Okay, so it covers more than half of Rajasthan. I would like to show you. Yes, you can see this is the whole of Rajasthan. Okay, and this covers, the Thar desert covers the more than half of Rajasthan. Okay, so it covers more than half of Rajasthan, a few parts of Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana. As I have showed you in the previous map, Rajasthan, the Thar desert also covers a few parts of Gujarat, Punjab and Haryana. And what are the important cities present in Rajasthan? The important cities are Jaipur, Jodhpur, Udaipur and Jaisalmer. Okay, these are very important cities. They are very beautiful also. Some of you might have visited also these cities in your vacations. So very good. Those who have visited, those who have not visited till now, you can ask your parents to take you, not now, but afterwards when the situation is normal. So children, this is what about the extent of the Thar desert. Okay, it extends towards Pakistan also, this Punjab and Sindh areas. Then it covers some part of Gujarat also, some parts of Haryana also. Haryana is towards the north of the Thar desert. Then Punjab is there towards its north, and towards its south is Gujarat is there, and Rann of Kutch. Okay, in the map of India in your textbook also you can see it's there. And the Thar desert covers more than half of the state of Rajasthan. Where is it there? Where is the Great Indian Desert? The Great Indian Desert is in the state of Rajasthan, and Rajasthan is the biggest state of India. So this Thar desert, it covers more than half of Rajasthan. Now let's move to our next. These are the new words. What are the new words? The new words are area, sandy, rocky and border. These are the new words. And these are the thinking questions which I will be uploading in the Google Classroom. You can do it from there. Rima went for winter vacation to an area that receives very little rain or no rainfall and has very few plants. Can you identify the area? Yes, children, can you identify the area? Yes, it is a desert area. This I'll upload in the Google Classroom. You'll do it as classwork. Then question number 2. In the northeastern part of India lies a sandy and rocky region. Is the statement correct? If not, then write the correct statement by identifying the incorrect word. So this you'll do it on your own. I won't tell you the answer. It's given in the northeastern part of India lies a sandy and rocky region. Think, which is this correct? So this is your thinking skill. You will think and upload the correct answer. Okay, and this I'll upload in the Google Classroom. And lastly, your homework question: which areas do the Great Indian Desert cover? This is your homework question. Which areas do the Great Indian Desert cover? So children, we shall stop till here. You will go through till what I have explained. I have not taken a much big portion. I have just started the lesson and I have explained you the extent of the Great Indian Desert. You'll do this classworks and homeworks which I'll be uploading in the Google Classroom. Okay, till then, have a good day and bye-bye.